Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today let's try out to make a bolt inside Fusion 360. So let's get right into it. Go for the sketch, and right now I will click and we'll go for the polygon and go for the circumscribed polygon, and here I will click somewhere here like this and define the side length 30 and hit enter. Finish the sketch. Now I will go for extrude, define this one 12. Okay. Now again I will click on the create sketch, choose this top surface, and starting from somewhere here define it 30 and hit OK. Now I will finish the sketch. Go for extrude and let me drag it like this one up to 100 mm and I will hit OK. See, rotate your object by pressing the middle mouse button and go to home. Now I will create, and I want to create the threads. Now faces where you want to create threads is this one, and click on the model. See, not full length, and offset from this is the total length was 100 and I want to make threads at 80, and thread type is isometric profile is this one, and you can choose any one of it, whatever you want. I want isometric profile, size is 30, you can keep it 27 or 10 mm. See, but this one is not the suitable one for me. I will select the 31. Okay, designation M3, and I will select actually this is the pitch. I want to select a 3 mm pitch, 3.5, 1. See, it gets closer, and I think 2.5 is and 3.5 is better for me. Class is this one, and direction you can just keep it left hand or right hand. Right hand is better for me, and remember the size. Okay, see, let me just apply certain material, and for this I will go to the glass and go for the mirror. Okay, see, it just looks shiny as you can see over here like this. So thanks for watching.